What's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we got a gorgeous 2018 Ram 1500. This is a Hemi four-wheel drive sport package. This truck is standing tall. Aftermarket hood. You guys will see a list of all the upgrades directly on my website. It says a 20 by 10 Moto metal wheels. It is currently rocking a brand new set of rubber. Mechanically extremely good shape. Let me give you guys a shot of the frame area. Frame still in really good shape. Nice steel upper control arms that are starting to look like they got rust, but they're really not rusty. It's just surface. Passenger door, driver door, bedside, free of any major damage. No big dents, dings, or scratches down that side. It is rocking a set of rock lights, 2 sets in each fender well. Rear bumper. This does have aftermarket dual exhaust. It is a third brake light. That's huge. This right here comes right off. It's just looks like some lube, man. Somebody got crazy, put some lube on there. Again, tires brand new. Undercarriage, really good shape. We have a new center cap for that wheel. It is currently on order. Should be here any day. So by the time you come and look at this truck, it will be all the way finished up through final detail as well. We'll get some good solid tire shine on there. Anyway, it's been through the shop, 140-point inspection. She is rocking. Cool ass interior too. Let's get a good shot of the interior. Factory big screen truck, amp electric step boards. We're gonna remount this to a proper location. I guess the guy that owned this truck decided he wanted to control his rock lights down by his brake pedal. Probably not the best idea. This truck sounds really good too. Come on now. Well, Hemi action. Factory heated seats, heated steering wheel. Interior is still in extremely good shape. Looks like a leather cloth combo. You got some driver's seat wear right here. Power seats, lumbar. Interior in the back is extremely nice as well. If you guys got any questions, comments, make sure you guys drop a comment in the video. I'll be more than happy to get back to you and answer that question for you. Underneath the hood is all stock in really good shape. I'm not going to show you that. Not really necessary unless you guys are dying to see it. Steering wheel, just a tiny bit of wear right here. Rest of the steering wheel looks really, really good. Everything's operable the way it's supposed to be. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, four-wheel drive, engine, trans, the whole 9 yards. Again, this is a 114,000 miles, I believe, maybe 113. All the upgrades will be listed on our website. If you guys have any questions about this truck or many other trucks that we have for sale, I got over 50 lifted trucks. We're located right here, Charleston, South Carolina. You guys make sure you pay attention. The more you guys stay on our YouTube, you guys will see more and more vehicles. We're pushing to be close to be around the 80 to 100 lifted truck number in stock all the time by the end of the year. So make sure you guys show your support. Drop a like, drop a comment. Until next time, next video, it's your boy Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports, Charleston, South Carolina. Y'all take it easy. Peace.